Modern Warfare 3 is here, and as tradition, KontrolFreek has 3 exclusive themed thumbsticks that I'm excited to get my hands on. Some of these items are limited in quantity, so act fast if you want them, and use code DeeSimilar for a discount. That is a new code, is no longer my old name for those of you that have been around for a minute. But let's start off with these boys, the Modern Warfare 3 thumbsticks. All Modern Warfare 3 braided sticks come with bonus in-game content no matter when you purchase them. It is a Coney themed weapon charm, so that's cool to see, although that one is mine, so you won't be seeing that. Let's get these sticks out of here, and bam, there we go. So these are hexagonal shape. Look at that, that's interesting. Definitely gonna have a larger surface area to work with the hexagonal shape for that, but the design is the Coney snakehead insignia, and this is a hybrid pair of thumbsticks. You got the 6.5mm for the left stick and the 10mm for the right stick. I'm actually curious to see what these actually, oh wow, these are, whoa, these are super soft. These are made out of like the old school Rush material where it's super duper soft. I like the feel of them. These are like ever so slightly domed, but they're more of a flat stick and they feel pretty good. I'm actually curious to try these out in game and see how they work out. I feel like the hexagonal, like the hard edge, will actually feel really good, especially on my left stick, because it's easier to just grip that the hard edge rather than the round regular thumbstick, if that makes sense. So those are those thumbsticks. Cool to see. Next up, we have the no slip thumb grips. I totally forgot you get a another code with this. So you know what I'm gonna do with this in-game content code is gonna be given away in the comments. So leave a comment saying you like the code on this video, and I will pick a random winner sometime soon. But yeah, main attraction here is going to be our thumb grips. Go ahead and pop these out of the bag here. Looks like the design for these are a bit different. It has a Coney snake skull logo instead of just the snake head. And these have a similar material as the thumbsticks for better grip. You're supposed to slip these on your stock controller thumbsticks, and these are more for people who don't like the added height that come with KontrolFreeks, or for people who use a Xbox Elite controller with its unique thumbsticks. And there is actual benefit if you do fall into that situation. I've done a whole video where I've unboxed a bunch of new KontrolFreeks and explained and demonstrated how KontrolFreeks and the thumb grip slips work in, and if they are worth it for Elite controllers. So if that is interest to you, that will be linked down in the description for you to check out after this video. But now for the main attraction. This chonky package has been sitting in the background back here. Let's go and rip this thing open. We got, bam. Oh, looks like, oh, cool. They sent me some precision rings too. I don't really use precision rings because I have a Elite controller, but cool. Thanks, KontrolFreek. But yeah, here we go. These are the main attraction, the KontrolFreek Modern Warfare 3 Collector's Edition for the Xbox controller, digital item included. This is, here, let's open it up. This is a limited design of, you know, it's a supply cache from the Call of Duty games, and inside it we will find the actual exclusive KontrolFreeks that come with this Collector's Edition. These have the same Coney skull snake design as the thumb grips, but they are in a nice vibrant red. They look pretty sick. They are a standard hybrid pack. You got the 6.5mm and the 10mm. Kind of like those hexagonal shaped ones. These have like a slight dome to them around the edges more so, but the tops are pretty flat. They feel pretty nice though. I don't know, both these new Modern Warfare pairs seem like they have like a new material that KontrolFreek's going with. It's a bit more like squishy, a bit more rubbery, and a bit way more grippy. I personally prefer concave sticks. These actually aren't that flat. The round edges actually help a lot, and I think I can see myself using these. I might pop them on the second controller for the PC or something. I love the red color on this. But you know, we got a third code here, and you know what? Whoever gets to this first, you get that code. That'll get you the Coney weapon charm for Modern Warfare 3. Let me know who gets it in the comments. I'm curious to see. If any of these thumbsticks interest you, the links below will take you directly there. Don't forget to use coupon code DeeSimilar, that's DeeSimilar, ILAR. That will save you 10% off any order. I'm gonna have tons of Modern Warfare 3 content coming where I'll be using these thumbsticks. So if you're not subbed, get subscribed so you don't miss that. Make sure you hit that like button. Here's that video that explains everything you need to know about KontrolFreeks, and yeah, peace.